Get in the car now. Go. Get in the car, please.
You're gonna taser me.
Young man, just have a seat.
Get in the car.
Okay.
Everything's on camera. Sit down.
In the car.
I know.
Sit in the car, please. In the car, please. Have a seat in the car, please.
Sit in the car, man.
Have a seat in
I'm
the car,
about
please.
to.
Oh, you're not doing it
But
though.
this guy about to.
Start to rig. Ansley and 17th Police.
Sit him up. Sit him up. Lead him against the car.
You guys got to get checked out. You want an emergency? Probably non-emergency for now.
How's your breathing, man?
If they're a ways out, then they can probably come.
Can you breathe through your nose? Can you breathe through your nose? Try to for me.
You're good, man.
Try to breathe through your nose. Can you breathe through your nose? Is what I'm asking you.
No.
Okay. Deep breaths, bud. Deep breaths. Can you kick your legs out in front of you? There we go.
Let me see it, boss.
Seat in the car.
We need you in the car. We need you in the car. Listen, I tried to talk to your people.
Get in.
Look at him. Look at him.
Get in. Get in the car. Get in the car, boss. Boss, get in the car. Get in the car. Listen to your family. Get in the car.
Get in.
This trying to kill me.
Get in the car.
Look at him.
Get
Look at
in.
him.
Get in.
Bro, you have got to get in the car. Get in the car. It's not that difficult.
Stand up.
Come on, my man. All you gotta do is bend your legs, all right?
Sit in the car.
At least just try to sit.
Sit in the car.
Just sit.
Why am I cuffed in?
Try to sit.
Why am I cuffed?
Sit in the
Why am I
car.
Why am I in the cuffs?
Sit in the car.
Sit in the car.
Man, dog. Come on, man.
See, this is easy, Sarge. I know. We got. I mean, it's.
Cuz. This one right here. 255.
What?
254. He's doing his bad. Man, 254.